I've been running on no sleep, counting dreams that I can't keep. Every light I chase turns blue, but it still reminds me of you. All these nights we like the same, pull my thoughts into the rain. I won't talk, I just replay every word you used to say. I've been lost in my own sound, trying to find where I broke down. Got my heart in the lost and found, but I still come back around. I don't need no gold or crown, just some peace when no one's around. Yeah, I fall, but I'm learning how to stand tall when I hit the ground. Tattoos fade, but pain still stays. Guess that's just the price I pay. Friends change like the songs I write. Same old story, different night. I see stars behind the smoke, every scar's a kind of hope. If I crash, at least I tried. If I fail, I'm still alive. I've been lost in my own sound, trying to find where I broke down. Got my heart in the lost and found, but I still come back around. I don't need no gold or crown, just some peace when no one's around. Yeah, I fall, but I'm learning how to stand tall when I hit the ground. Maybe someday I'll make sense of all these nights in consequence. I'll forget the things I hide, I'm just trying to stay alive. I've been lost, but now I'm found. I still hurt, but not as loud. In this noise I hear the sound of a heart that's coming around. I've been lost.